Hey everyone, hashtag from hashtag and welcome back to my channel. So Samsung is launching the Galaxy S20 series next month. Already we got many information regarding this smartphone, but today Evan Blass has revealed that Galaxy Buds Plus will be offered for free to those who pre-order the Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. Also the bad news is this device will drop the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back there is a huge camera bump for 4 cameras and LED flash. This time Samsung mainly focused on camera 2, most likely to spot 108MP ultra high resolution photo sensor, which will have a pixel fusion technology that will allow combining physical pixel to work as a single larger one. Moreover, a wide-angle shooter, a telephoto lens, a 3D ToF sensor were included. One of these comes with a space zoom periscope lens with a 10x optical zoom and a 100x digital zoom. Galaxy S20 Ultra comes with a 6.9-inch panel on the front. Further, Samsung still features a Super AMOLED screen that will be powered by new Exynos 9830 SoC and Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. Further, Samsung will use 120Hz refresh rate on the next Galaxy S20 and will have a 5000 mAh battery with a new 25-watt fast charging technology. Samsung S20 series will have 3 variants with a 5G model as follows: Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and high-end variant Galaxy S20 Ultra. From this, the Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus will come with both 4G only and 5G variants, while the Galaxy S20 Ultra is claimed to arrive only in the 5G variant. So let me know your thoughts on Samsung Galaxy S20 in the comment box. I make tech videos daily, so make sure to subscribe for more videos on Samsung smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.